Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple trick to skip those annoying unskippable ads on YouTube. If this sounds like something you'd love, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and helpful tips like this. Let's jump right in. We've all been there. You open YouTube in Chrome, excited to watch your favorite video, and then, bam, you're stuck with an unskippable ad. It's frustrating, especially when you just want to enjoy your content without interruptions. But don't worry, I've got you covered with an easy fix. Step 1, while watching a video on YouTube in Chrome, simply pause it and copy the video URL from the address bar. To do this, right-click on the URL and select Copy. It's that easy. Step 2, now open Brave browser. Don't have it yet? No problem. Just head to brave.com, type brave.com, download it for free, and set it up. It only takes a couple of minutes. Brave is a browser like Chrome, but it comes with a powerful built-in ad blocker. Step 3. Once Brave is installed and ready, paste the copied YouTube link into its address bar and press Enter. And that's it. Your video will play without those pesky ads, giving you a smooth, uninterrupted experience. What's great about Brave is that it blocks ads not just on YouTube, but across all websites, which makes browsing a lot more enjoyable. Plus, it's fast, secure, and privacy-focused, perfect for everyday use. So if you're tired of dealing with unskippable ads, give this method a try. It's quick, free, and super effective. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.